Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a beautiful galaxy background in Paint.net. First, create a new file in any size you like. I'm using 1500 by 1200 pixels. Fill the background with a black or darkish blue color. Go to Effects, then choose Add Noise and play around with the settings to create your Starfield. If you want to have more variety in the Starfield, simply duplicate the stars layer and navigate to Layers, and choose Rotate Zoom to create some bigger stars. Set the blend mode to screen. Create a new layer and make sure the foreground and background color are set to black and white. Then navigate to Effects and choose Clouds to create the base of your galaxy artwork. Set the layer's blending mode to glow and reduce the opacity to about 65% to create your galaxy base. Create a new layer and select the lasso tool and randomly select some areas, and add a cloud effect and set the layer mode to glow. Repeat this step until you are satisfied with your galaxy base design. If you don't want the hard edges on your galaxy painting, then gently erase the hard edges of these selections with a soft, round brush to blend the areas in. Create a new layer and choose a big, soft, round brush to add some random colors. I used some blue, yellow, and violet to add some colors and depth to my galaxy painting. Set the layer's blending mode to Overlay. Create a new layer and add small white spots around the cloud clusters to enhance depth and lighting. Then, set the layer mode to Overlay or Color Dodge. I used the eraser to remove some of the white spots around the cloud clusters, making the effect look more natural. Hit Ctrl+A and navigate to Edit and choose Copy, Merged. Then, navigate to Edit, Paste into New Layer. Duplicate this layer and add a curve. Play around with the curve adjustment to create a more dynamic galaxy effect. After that, you can add any additional adjustment effects you like. I used highlights and shadows to enhance the bright areas and deepen the darker parts of my galaxy. Next, we'll place a few planets into our galaxy to fill out the scene and make it feel complete. Create a new layer and use the ellipse tool to create a circular selection. To add texture to the planet's surface, just apply a cloud effect. Go to the Effects menu and choose Clouds. To blend the planet in even more, set the layer's blending mode to glow and reduce the opacity to around 173. Use a soft, round brush to erase half of the planet's surface, giving it more depth and a more realistic look. Duplicate the planet layer if needed. I also added a hue and saturation adjustment to give my planet a more natural, planetary look. You can skip this step if you're already happy with your planet's design. I added another planet following the same steps. You can continue adding planets and small decorations to make your galaxy look exactly how you want. Before we finish, I want to show you a quick trick for creating rings around your planets. Use the ellipse tool by creating a slightly flattened elliptical shape. Then gently erase within that selection using a soft brush to achieve the subtle, ring-like effect surrounding the planet. Thanks for watching! I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next video.